Man, you get back from hunting and you see actually I got rudely woken up saying the tree's falling over here. This old pine tree fixing to fall right on my house there. It's uprooting. And this wind out here is gushing, I don't know what, 20, 30, 40 miles an hour. We went over there and warned the neighbors that it was going to fall, and the time we come back it had done leaned over more. Ooh. We're going to cut out around the fence here so it don't break when he's up on there cutting the bottom of it. Fence is about the only thing keeping her up right now. Look, Slim. Down there, Goofy. There it is. He might want to.
Timber.
Excellent.
Ain't that something?
That was a perfect tree fall.
Yeah, it's falling exactly the right direction.
Yeah, it was. Now we just got to stick up.
Something to be said for knowing what the hell you're doing.
Anyway, y'all, here's the tree now. Now all we got to do is cut this thing up out the friggin' way and put the fence back up.
It sounds like a reasonable thing to do.
Okay, we shot so much B-roll, we ended up not shooting the actual fence being put back up, but we did get the fence up. I wished I could see better. Ouch. Let's see here. We braced it with 4 2x4s. One there, and on the other bottom here. After we leveled it up and got it nailed back up, we braced it on the back with some long screws. Trees down, the little bit of remnants that we have left of it, we will end up wrapping up tomorrow and cleaning all the rest of that back up. But anyway, thanks everyone for watching.